Welcome to Virgin Mary School. I'm your teacher, Teacher Sindhuja, and today we will learn about our next 6 sounds. So dear kids, this is letter G. And the sound of letter G is G. 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 As in G, G, girl, and G, G, goat. Now, letter O. Letter O is a vowel and it has 2 sounds. So we will learn about the short sound here. The sound of letter O is O. 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 As in O, orange, and O, oil. Now, letter U. Dear kids, U is also a vowel and it has 2 sounds. The short sound of letter U is A. 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 As in umbrella and up. Now, letter L. And the sound of letter L is L. 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 As in L, lion, L, lotus. Now, letter F. And the sound of letter F is as in fish and frog. And now today's last letter is letter B. And the sound of letter B is B. 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 As in B, B, bat, and B, B, ball. So dear kids, I hope you have enjoyed it. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.